Hey guys, Jennifer from WTI. Today I want to talk to you about the Oasis guitar case humidifier. I use this one for my acoustic guitar. It comes with a syringe. You just fill it up with distilled water, your syringe, and then keep filling this up until you see the water at the top. It's almost like a gel-like substance. There's a magnet and some steel that it comes with, so if you're setting it up like this, you just place it like that, slowly remove by bringing it to the side to refill. Now, I also have another example of a clip-on one for my hard case. So that just clips right on the side, and it's the same idea with the magnet. Now, as you can see, this one needs refilling, and that's kind of how you tell it needs refilling. It starts to compress on itself, so it's very easy to tell when you need it to be refilled. Anyways, I find it's a must for controlling the climate for my guitar when it is, or the humidity for my guitar when it is in its cases, and I highly recommend the product. And that's my point of view.